This is 87 Billings Road, Unit 2. It's a large one-bedroom plus an office or bonus room. Has its own driveway, which is really nice. It's just a duplex. The other side has long-term tenants. This side, the owner had a family member who was in, and he moved out. And they're offering unfurnished or furnished. They like a long-term tenant, so they're not interested in somebody for like 3 months. But if somebody wanted longer than 6 months, they would rent it furnished. Or if somebody wants the stuff all gone, they can bring in their own furnishings, no worries, and they'll do a year lease. It's a kind of open floor plan. They have done some modernization. Pretty good sized living room, as you can tell. Has room here. They added a microwave. The appliances are almost all updated. It's a nice like big closet here. And then it's all on this level if somebody needs access, but it also has a washer dryer downstairs. Super unusual to have a one bedroom with a laundry, so that's nice. Has a gas range. And then it's got bedroom here. It's got closet plus built-in stuff. Kind of nice. Has a bathroom which was also updated. It's kind of a full bath. Has a medicine cabinet there plus storage on that side. And then it's got a basement for storage and a bonus room, which it was the owner's dad who actually lived here prior. And so they had it set up as a guest room down here. This would be an office or a hobby room in reality, though. And then it's got laundry, comes with it. And you've got this bonus space that has an outside entrance. So if you had storage or that kind of thing, it would really be a great situation. Excuse me. It is, if somebody wants to rent it furnished, it can be all included, including Wi-Fi, because that's still on. If somebody wants it on a long term, then it would be rented with the tenant just covering electricity. They'd be responsible for their own electricity and their own internet.